Hi, welcome to a video tutorial from NYBot. In this video we are going to use TI-34 Scientific Calculator to use probability features. This video is part of a full video manual for this calculator. The link to watch that video is below this video in the description. Now let's have a look at the probability features of this calculator. When we press PRB, this button that we display, the calculator displays two menus, PRB and RAND. PRB contains the following options: nPr, nCr, and the factorial. nPr is number of possible permutation, P permutation, and nCr is combination. And then factorial is, when you write 4 factorial, it's equal to 1 times 2 times 3 times 4, whatever is this value. But it cannot exceed 69, so it should be equal or less than 69. Now, example 1, how many 4 digits can we produce using number 1 to 7? For that, 7 digits we have, so PRB, and then number 1, and so 7 pick 4 or permutation, so the answer is 840 numbers produced from 1 to 7. Now how to store the result into the memory? Very simple, press store and X. This value is answer, it goes to X, and now it's available if you want to use it. What is the total possible way of picking 6 balls out of 49? So this is done in a lottery in most countries. So they have 49 balls and they are picking 6. To do that, we say 49 PRB 2, that is PRB combination or choose 6. If I press enter, it's 13.98 or 14 million, approximately 14 million possibilities. To understand it better, let's say you have a room with 14 million grains of wheat or rice. Each grain has a number that represents a lottery number. Your number is also written on one of the grains, which is your lottery number. Now you ask somebody to enter the room and pick 1 grain and bring it, and you hope that he will pick yours. That is how low is your chances of winning. So do not buy lottery, your money is wasted. Purchase orange juice instead. Now let's have a look at the factorial. 4 PRB and then 3, that's factorial. Evaluate it if you want. PRB and 3, and that's the answer. It's huge. It does not fit. If I press PRB and go to the right, this menu has rand and rand end. That contains the following rand and rand end. PRB, go to the right, and 1. This is generating random number. If I press enter, if I press it again, it will generate another number. If you want to multiply it by some number, let's say 4 PRB and then 1, and equal, that has been multiplied continuously if I press enter. Now rand end generates random number between A and B. PRB, rand, and then 2. Now enter 2 to 50. 2, shift, comma, and 50. It generates, and if I press it again, it prints 50 and then 26, 42. So between 2 and 50. Thank you for watching. This was the full video instruction manual for this TI-34 Multiview Scientific Calculator. Please thumb up the video and also please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. If you have comment or question, post it at the comment section below. I try to answer and reply. If you want to purchase this calculator, the affiliated links are below this video. If you purchase it, I will get some commission. It will help me. Thank you.